Here at Hush Heath, we have a hard-earned reputation for making quality sparkling wines. But another area in which I really think we excel is the production of red. This is our Luke's Pinot Noir 2018, and we only make our Pinot Noirs in the very best years. For instance, we didn't make one in 2019, and this is because the grapes have to be at peak ripeness and pristine. Otherwise, we'd be damaging our reputation for quality English red wine. The Luke's is gently oaked, and this oak imparts some wonderful soft but firm tannins, which really help the structure. This, coupled with a palette of cherry and red fruit with a wonderful raspberry twist on the end. This combines to make a really delicious English Pinot Noir and one of my absolute favourites. Fantastic with game such as pheasant, guinea fowl or partridge, or just with a roast chicken, whatever floats your boat.